everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette. This is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are doing well and, of course, staying safe. As you can see, I'm in the salon. I'm actually here because I am about to clean up and do some deep cleaning because I haven't seen State Board in like a year. The last time that they was here, it was like in February. So I know that they're going to be coming around soon. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning and also going to do a really quick small haul. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and eat something first because I need to eat before I get started. It's actually almost 11 o'clock and I know this is going to take me all day. I also have a consultation at 3 o'clock, so I'm going to be doing that. So I hope you all stick around. Before we get started, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so that way you know I dropped a video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to be also giving a few tips on how to get ready for State Board. You really can't be ready because sometimes it kind of depends on the state they pop up. So I'm not sure when they are going to come, but I need to be prepared when they come. So one of the main things that I wanted to tell you all, especially if you are just starting and getting your own suite and stuff like that, one of the main things that they look for, I know here where I live at, one of the main things that they look for is you have to have a first aid kit. So I want to make sure that my first aid kit is good, and you also want to make sure that you have some barbicide. They look for those things. They do not care about how good you do hair or how good you do nails or how good you do facials. What they look for is cleanliness and sanitation. So you want to make sure that your brushes are clean, your sink is clean, those type of things. So anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and get started, and I will be seeing y'all soon. I'm going to be eating, I stuck Panera bread. I got me a Baja chicken bowl and some broccoli cheddar soup, and their drinks are too hot. So I went to McDonald's and I got me like a diet Dr. Pepper. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'll be seeing y'all soon.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Okay, y'all, as you all can see, I love to start on one side of the room and work my way around. Right here, I'm using the Ship Shape Salon Cleaner. This cleaner you can use on everything. You can use it on furniture, you can use it on your salon chairs. You can also use it on mirror and glass. So I really like this. It's really good, and it gives the furniture such a great shine.
Look the other way. Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance?
I got this air purifier from Amazon. I really love it. I had it for years. I got this candle from TJ Maxx. It was like $12.99. It smells absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed this candle. It lasted for almost 2 months. It smells so good in my room. And as you can see here, I'm adding Starburst to the candy jar. I usually kind of switch it up on my clients. Sometimes there's candy, sometimes there's, crackers and stuff like that. I like to add cookies, and sometimes I like to add chips. So it kind of depends on the mood. I kind of switch it up, and they're kind of spoiled because sometimes they ask me, do you not have any of this? But I try to mix it up and give them, I really want my clients to have a great experience while they are in my salon. And so that's what I do here.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Products. I try to keep this area nice and clean. I am using just basic Windex to clean this glass because it can get really dusty over here. So I just try to make sure that it stays nice and clean. And also just a really quick tip, if you are a salon stylist or even if you're in the beauty industry, I recommend to trying to sell some retail so that way you can have another source of income.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
So right now I am cleaning behind my dryers. This is really, really important because first of all, y'all, I am closer to the outside. And so we have to deal with a lot of outside bugs. So I try to make sure that it's clean back there. And also you can get hair back there. You can get all types of things back there. So it's very important that you move that dryer and get behind that dryer as well, especially when you are getting ready for state board because there's no telling what they may be looking for. Y'all, I just love this vacuum. I've had this vacuum since we got back from the pandemic, and it's absolutely amazing. It's just an amazing job. I use it to get into any nooks and crannies of the dryers and in my chairs and stuff like that, and it actually helps. I've even used it for my car, but this vacuum is awesome. I will be sure to leave a link in my description box for this as well. Y'all, this glass is so heavy. I actually hate cleaning it, but I have to because hair gets trapped underneath the glass. So when it's time to clean it, I just do not look forward to it. But it has to be done because you can't leave the hair underneath the glass like that. So it is what it is. So this is for all my salon suite owners or first timers. You have to understand that when state board comes, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, they are not looking for how good you can do your job. What they are looking for is sanitation practices and cleanliness. So it's very important that you keep all your shears in a closed container, combs, towels. Basically, everything that you're going to be using on a client has to be in a closed container. You cannot leave anything hanging out. So this is what you see me doing here. I'm making sure that my shears are clean and that they are in closed containers. And you will see at the end of the video that I don't have anything laying out. When I fold my towels, I put them away, all that good stuff. So yes, that stuff is very, very important.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new.
So here I am actually wiping down my chair. I actually cleaned it before I started using the BARBICIDE wipes. This is very important. You want to make sure you get the seat. You want to make sure you get the arms. And you also want to make sure that you get the back of the chair. Same thing for the shampoo bowl. You want to make sure that you get the neck area where the client lays back. You want to make sure that you clean the inside of the sink and get rid of any dirt or residue or anything like that. So this is very important. You want to make sure that you wipe the nozzle and all that stuff, anything that you touched as well.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Okay, y'all, so I am taking a quick break and I am getting ready to do a really quick haul with you all. So I'm doing a quick haul. This is from Temu, and I figured since this stuff, it's just a couple of things, nothing too big. A new comb, because these are really good combs for natural hair, so I went ahead and got these. One of these, I wonder if I got two. So I got one of these. I got a Denman Brush. Braiding comb. I got a really nice paddle brush. I think this brush was like $7. It's really nice, and I need some new ones so I can get rid of the old ones. So got that. I got me some eyebrow razors. These are the best ones. I love these. Using these is so much easier to use. And I'm almost done with everything. I have my towels in the dryer, and while it's in the dryer, I decided to go ahead and do the haul with you also. And then I have another brush, detangling brush. I went ahead and got this because it was only $10. I got a pressing comb. black. That is really nice. This is only $10, y'all. So I went in and jumped on that. And then that is it. So, like I said, the only thing I have left is to fold my towels and to mop my floor. And then I'll be done. These were all great deals. I will link everything in the bottom. Believe it or not, y'all, this is like my favorite part of cleaning my salon studio. I just love it when my floors are so nice and clean, especially when I exit the room and I turn the lights out. Oh, I love it. So as you can see here, I'm cleaning my floors and it's looking so good.
Back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So y'all, I am finishing up my towels. I'm so excited. I almost done with my day. Yay! But I'm going to put my towels away, and I want to tell you all thank you for watching my video. Please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And please leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I thank each and every one of y'all. I am glad you all watched my video.
That we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Completely done with the room. I have a couple of things that I need to do and take care of. I just need to get some waters for my clients, and I need to get a Glade plug-in refill. But other than that, I am done. I had my client. She came at 3, and we talked, and we are good. So that is it. And I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Well, it wasn't really a vlog, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. And I will be seeing y'all later.